In the heart of the North Pole, tucked between sparkling peppermint mountains and forests dusted with sugar snow, there was a tiny glowing village called Evergreen Hollow. It wasn't just any village. It was the place where the happiest elves in the world were born. The houses were shaped like gumdrops. The rooftops shimmered like Christmas lights, and every window glowed with cozy golden warmth. And on this special morning, a group of young elves were already awake, buzzing with excitement. In the snowy square, bouncing with energy, were 4 special friends. There was Pip, small and cheerful, with a pointy red hat that was just a little too big for his head. Then there was Lumi, whose bright eyes sparkled almost as much as her favorite things, glitter and snowflakes. Tinker, clumsy but so kind-hearted, was always giggling, even when he tripped over his own feet. And finally, there was Mary, a shy little elf with a heart so huge and warm, it could melt the iciest snow. The air crackled with their anticipation as they huddled together, their breath-making little white clouds in the frosty air. Today was going to be different. They didn't want to wrap presents or polish sleigh bells. Today, they wanted to play. With a whoop of joy, they declared it their official day of fun. The snowy square became their playground. They started with a snow angel competition, flapping their arms and legs wildly, each trying to make the most perfect angel shape in the fresh, fluffy snow. Pip's was small and neat, while Tinker's was a bit wobbly, but full of charm. Next came the bubblegum snowball fights. They rolled up soft snow, mixed with a little bit of North Pole magic. So the snowballs popped with a gentle burst of pink bubblegum scent when they landed. Laughter filled the air as they dodged and giggled, their colourful coats getting dusted with sweet-smelling snow. They discovered a long, icy slope and turned it into a fantastic slide, racing each other down, their scarves trailing behind them like colourful ribbons. Whoosh! Down they went, landing in giant, fluffy piles of North Pole snow at the bottom. It was so soft. It was like jumping into a cloud. They spun candy cane hoops around their arms and laughed so hard their pointy hats kept falling off into the snow. The square was a whirlwind of colour and joy. There was no sadness anywhere, only the pure, unfiltered happiness of 4 friends having the time of their lives. As the elves played, something magical started to happen. Every time an elf giggled, a spark of golden light floated up into the sky. Every time they shared a hug, after a tumble in the snow, tiny stars burst around them like glitter. Their happiness was so big, so powerful, it began to paint the whole village with magic. At first, they were too busy playing to notice. But then Lumi, who always saw the sparkly things first, stopped and looked up. She gasped, her eyes wide with wonder. "Look," she whispered. "The whole village, it's glowing." And it was. Waves of bright, beautiful color were spreading across the snow, making everything shimmer and shine. Just then, Tinker, in his usual clumsy way, tripped over a stray candy cane and fell right into a soft snowdrift. But instead of crying, he just sat there for a moment, and then a huge, happy laugh bubbled up. As he laughed, a brilliant flash of light erupted from where he sat. He looked at his friends, his face glowing with a sudden understanding. "I think happiness isn't something we find," he said, his voice full of wonder. "It's something we make together." The other elves' eyes lit up. He was right. Their joy was creating all this magic. They began helping each other up, sharing candy canes, and holding hands as they spun in happy circles, smiling so big their cheeks glowed rosy red. Working as a team, they built a magnificent candy castle, its walls made of gingerbread, and its towers topped with gumdrops. And with every act of friendship, the magic grew stronger and stronger. The sky above Evergreen Hollow turned a soft pink, then a brilliant gold, then a dazzling rainbow. The whole world sparkled because of a single, simple truth. Happiness is always brighter when it's shared. Watching from his workshop window, Santa Claus himself smiled. He appeared in the square, his eyes twinkling. "You elves didn't just play today," he said, his voice warm and proud. "You reminded the whole North Pole that joy is a gift we give to each other." The elves cheered and hugged and danced, celebrating under a gentle snowfall of pure shimmering glitter. As the day came to an end, the four friends gathered around a glowing snow lantern they had made. And so, Day 3 became known as the day the elves discovered their greatest magic of all, the magic of togetherness, a magic that made the cold North Pole feel warm, cozy, and full of light. And as they laughed together one last time, the whole village glowed with a promise of friendship and shared happiness, forever and always.